1 crunches, 2 plank, 3 mountain climbers, 4 bicycle crunches, 5 Russian twists, 6 leg raises, 7 flutter kicks. These exercises can be performed at home with little to no equipment and can help you achieve a flat stomach. 1 lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the ground. 2 place your hands behind your head or across your chest. 3 lift your upper body towards your knees using only your abdominal muscles. 4 slowly lower yourself back down to the starting position and repeat. Perform 3 sets of 15 reps. 1 start in a push-up position with your arms extended. 2 lower your forearms to the ground, maintaining a straight line from head to toe. 3 hold this position for 30 to 60 seconds, engaging your core and glutes. 4 repeat for 3-4 sets. To modify, perform the plank on your knees instead of your toes. 1 begin in a high plank position. 2 drive your right knee towards your chest, then return to the starting position. 3 repeat with your left knee, then continue alternating for several reps. 4 perform 3 sets of 20 reps. To modify, perform the mountain climbers at a slower pace.